So after all the effort, all the work put in, I managed to get the kicks. God damn. What's good guys, Ash Bash, back again with another review, and I'm super duper gassed about this pair that I've got right here. If you followed my channel and seen my recent videos, you would have known that I entered the Offspring competition. I went as hard as I could. I thought the picture that I did was dope. I thought there's a super good chance that I'm going to get a W. Everyone was gassing me in the comments saying, shut down, it's going to get a pair. But your boy took a massive L. Came to Saturday, raffles, L, constant L's. It was just a myth of a day. I thought, it's just not meant to be. Then I was on my way to my cousin's wedding on Saturday. Then I get an inbox from my boy who's saying like, oh, you got a pair, yeah? And I was like, no. Took massive L's, and he's shocked because he thought the picture was dope. He thought it was like pretty much a guarantee himself, but it didn't happen. Luckily he had my size available, and he sold them to me for retail. So salute to my G Sam. He's got a YouTube channel as well, does sneaker reviews. So 100% subscribe to him if you're not already. I'll link it down below. The boy's a G. Thank you again, brother. And actually made a cameo in his video as well, which is good luck to check out as well. But let's get to the shoes. So if you didn't know, this is a collaboration between Nike and Parra. He's been known to do some dope as collaborations with Nike back in the day with the City Pack and all that. I believe his last collaboration was like 9 years ago, maybe over 9 years ago. So when he came to making this pair, he said, what can I do to sort of get back the attention of a 17, 18-year-old who's not even heard of me before? What can I do to capture their imagination and all that? So he went with this crazy design. He started with the designs first. Instead of going with the color blocking, he went with the designs first, then figured out how to put his designs on the sneaker. Very good idea, and it turned out incredible. So the design on the sneaker is supposed to represent like a city landscape from an abstract view, basically. And you'll see once I get these sneakers out. Let's start with the box, and it's all going on with the box. So as you can see here on this side of the box here, these are a lot of the patterns that you're going to see on the sneaker itself, and it's in this little landscape thing here with the mountains and all that. Very dope. Top of the box here, probably can't see it in this light, but it says Nike with the swoosh on here. The other side is the same again. And sizing wise, UK 10, true to size in all my Air Max 1s. And color wise, it is white and multicolor. They're not joking when they say multicolor. It's multicolor as fuck. But anywho, let's open it up, show you the details, Lego. And boom, here are the sneakers in all their multicolor craziness glory. They're so fire, I just can't get over it. Do you know what's crazy? When it comes to sneakers, when I cop a pair, it's very rare that I wear them straight away. I wear them for my review, but normally I save my heat for another date. I wore these yesterday the first time. It just happened to go with my fit, and it was just crazy. Like the attention was mad. Like every shop I walked into, people are looking down. Any sneaker shop, they're like, okay. Asking, is that the new ones? Everyone on the street. It's a nice feeling. I think I might have to start rocking heat day one, just to get that little nice boost up of my ego. But enough about that, I'll show you this close up. So this shoe comes in your standard Air Max 1 silhouette. Starts with this mesh toe box, which you get on generally most Air Max 1s, and then you get into the craziness straight after that. This mudguard hair and felt, painted over with these white and grey lines. Absolutely crazy and eye-catching from the jump. A wicked touch. You get this little mini hit hair of pink with this little swoosh. On the right foot, it actually says Parra on it, which I'll show you right now. So a nice little contrast of the two. Then you get to the side paneling here, comes in the standard grey, which you get on quite a few Air Maxes to be fair. This sort of light blue swoosh, which is very fire. Then it gets into more craziness towards the back of the shoe with these blue and white polka dots wrapped around the back of the heel, super fire. Then you've got these pink and purple lines wrapped right around the back again. And it's got Nike Air with the swoosh in white stitched in. Then it's got this white and red tongue, mesh tongue as standard. But the red, it super pops. I don't know why it does, but it super duper pops. Then inside the shoe here, another nice little touch with the candy stripe red and white inside. And then the inners itself are super patterned up. I'm not going to take mine out because I can't be bothered, but I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. Very dope. Red little eyelets here on the top 2 eyelets, and then the lace tips, blue and white, spiraled around. Very nice touch. Air bubble here, clear air bubble with a little red hit inside the shoe. And the heels here, which is going to be a bit dirty because I've not cleaned them yet. But it's got a pink hit, blue hit, and a darker blue hit. Kind of reminds me of the Wotherspoon 97 ones. It's just fire. Tell me these aren't fire, you'd be lying to yourself. So if you didn't know, these also came in a Spiridon model as well. Had the same colors, but in a different sort of pattern. I'll show a picture of that as well. And it also came in a tracksuit. Yeah. But anywho, gonna chuck these on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Air Max 1 Parras on feet. As I said before, I've been wearing these all of yesterday, so I know what the fit is like. True to size, as usual, fit me totally fine. It's pretty much comfortable throughout the whole day. What I find weird with Air Max 1s, for me anyway, is they're more comfortable walking than just sitting still. I feel like when I'm sitting still, my feet become to get a little tiny bit sore, whereas when I'm walking, nothing at all. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Maybe I need to go half a size up, I don't know. But these fit me fine. All my other Air Max 1s are UK 10 as well, and I've got no problems with that, so take it for what it is. But yeah, that's my end of my review. Hopefully you enjoyed. I still can't believe that I actually copped these. Shout out to my boy Samuel again. Bad man. And yeah, more reviews to come, more videos to come as usual. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get a notification every time I upload. I'm out. There you go.